Everybody. So, this is a most auspicious occasion because I did a video a few weeks back called The Man in the Machine because my business consists of me and Rolling Turtle, my 2015 Crosstrack, which my friend and I have just spent a week and a half putting a new clutch in, replacing a lot of suspension parts and other things. It drives like a brand new car. And many of you have been asking for a real deal tour. So now that I got everything cleaned out before I pack up and officially head out tomorrow on the journey I've been talking about all these months, let's do a new house tour, shall we? So as you can see, currently I do not have a front seat. I do have the ability to put it in fairly easily, as this and this little table thing here are all modular and can just be pulled out with a couple screws. So underneath here is my Goal Zero battery. Thanks, Goal Zero. Sponsor me. Right there is R2-D2, my 3D pan cam, which when I'm on the road traveling and I make an announcement, you'll actually be able to get access to it and do Q&A sessions with me. And then up here, we got the eye in the sky. Yo, camera dude.
Hi, we're currently being recorded.
And let's go around back here. So I wanted a platform so I could store stuff underneath and above and have a worktop. So you can see you got all this room here. Don't ask me how I'm going to get it my spare tire. Figure that out when time comes. But one of the most unique features is my little work area I built in here. So I got stuff that things aren't going to fall off of. And then like 6 months ago, I found this beautiful little vise in the parking lot of a Walmart, I think, just next to a telephone pole. And I took it home and gave it some TLC. And I can pretty much guarantee you that I am one of the few people in the world that has a small, deep vise directly behind their passenger head in their 2015 Subaru Crosstrack. And then inside, we've got the command center. So we've got the Garmin, which is my satellite communicator, and you can follow me along by following my Earthmate page. This is connected directly to the computer in my car so I can get real-time information readouts on everything from intake manifold to temperature to how much gas I'm using per minute, to all sorts of things that I use to work on heightening my awareness skills by simply listening to my vehicle, feeling the way my vehicle feels as I'm driving it. And that's how, I knew the doom was spelled the other night, when I could just tell, after you spend enough time in a vehicle and you pay attention and you know that baseline like the back of your thumb. And sure enough, 5 seconds later, smoke everywhere. So, I am the man, Mr. T3. There ain't nobody else out there like me. And this is Rolling Turtle, and we are going to be in a city near you soon. So if you want epic online or in-person nature education from one of the best, all you got to do is contact me through my website, because I have been given a mandate to give all this information inside my head back to you where it belongs, and I can't rest until I do that. So book a class. Everything is done on a sliding scale basis because nature doesn't give a F how much money you make, and neither does the information. So stay tuned. Blog post, new schedule post, all that good stuff coming soon. But tonight is the official eve of the official start of T3, the digital natural nomad. Trademark. Peace.